Brad, come and look at this. Brad, come and look at this. She's what?
She's throwing all her...
Newman's like, I know, Dad. This is really bad. What's the matter? Bad. What are we gonna do with you three? Huh? I think it's like, I think the three of you are in trouble, like all on your own. Like you've kind of united into this like trouble, giant trouble trio. The trouble trio. I think that's what it is. Cookie, you're just there by default. What do you guys think? Okay, maybe not the knives. Maybe not the knives. Knives. You can play with all the cutlery, but not the knives, okay? There you go. Go crazy. Dad's gonna love this.
Boom!
What do you think, mister? Huh? I think you're the beauty queen of the trouble trio. You're the looker. You're the eye candy. Right? And what are you? And what are you? Three Musketeers, I think. Is it the Trouble Trio or the Three Musketeers? I'm not sure what it is. Because I think the Trouble Trio describes them all independently getting in trouble. And the Three Musketeers is like they work as a team. So which is it?